The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
So once again, you know, all over me DMs, all over me inbox, me direct message, me whatever, for every single one of my social media platform. Once again, you know, flood me. Because it's so important for you to get, you know, point across to me about how much of a cokehead, a crackhead I am, how me dirty and stink and all of these things, because you don't agree. And you think I'm a bad person for using a bad word when I'm talking, which is what I do. You don't know this guy, you don't know me. You know nothing at all about me. And you think I'm a bad person for using expletives to express myself, which you never hear me aim them at anybody. And at no point did I direct any expletive at anybody. And I'm a bad person. But you're not a bad person for coming up into my inbox and telling me I'm a pussy stink. You're a good person. I don't think something wrong with me. My point not gonna change, you know. Because my point probably does not affect any of you who are talking. But the people who it affect, know what I say. And the people who I talk to, only stuck somewhere in the middle, you know. Because who I talk to know what the fuck I say. Only know when in the middle, where people use, you know, as clickbait to go viral. Because I saw no head at. So as soon as somebody says something, I want to rile up, I want to run in and just click, you know, I sound clicker. Now a remote, now press button. As soon as somebody says something, I want to run it. What me say? Most of them don't even see the video me talking, you know, so somebody cut something and you see one part where me say me lock up in the house and I go stir crazy. And I get up and I jump in the vehicle and I drive, go wherever I drive, go and I buy what I buy and I come back. And if me feel so, and jump in a vehicle and drive go out, obviously other people are going to feel so when I have no vehicle and can't jump in there and go nowhere. And I have no money for buy whatever me go buy. All me say is stop tell people fit on their yard and don't know what they're in their yard. Because telling people fit on their yard is not going to solve the problem. Telling people fit on their yard when you don't even know if they have a yard for go to does not solve a problem. So it takes a lot more to happen before you insist on a yard. But nothing me don't. Let me tell you something. Minister of Education and everybody from the education ministry, you see these arguments that we keep having is evidence that we need to work harder. Now, my sister on work hard, and especially at a time like this, underline and emphasize the fact that we really do a lot of work. But let's face it, we don't do work because we want tired. We do work because we want results. And these results cannot possibly be what you want, so we work cut out for you. All of our work cut out for you. It means that parents have got to try a little bit harder to be more responsible in them propagating of human life. See? It means that we have to spend more time raise with kids and have discussion and allow them to be able to think and talk. And because some smart people have some fool, you know. Because they never allow them to talk, to have an opinion in their house, to question things. And just for reason. And if you outlaw reasoning, you end up with people who are not really so bright. But when I love war, I really, really love war. So somehow they'll come down and cuss me. I don't hear me saying up. When you see one man, I say, me say something. And you see one caption, I say, me say something. And you hear what me say and you realize so what me say and reflect that and you still a cuss me. I don't love war, so. Talk truth, you know. I don't know. If me did a little bit problem when I trip me say I want to know what me and I like me off because I saw them raise if you believe say when people beat up on you like they like you. But I don't love war, so. I don't know me because if you don't know me, you don't know what me I say. I talk like this all the time. I don't appear from out of the blue. I know Corona no kill my career. So me come and try to revive it with in an argument with Uno. Why me don't want to revive it in an argument with Uno? You can't even knock two thoughts together to make them make sense. No, I talk, no listen to what I say, because me here on us. Me look on some of my comments and how goddamn funny. Funny bad. You don't have no idea. You just have a clue as to how the world works. None whatsoever. So I don't feel like, I'm literally honest to God. That's why the bootleg we say, I don't feel like when we come on Instagram and say hi to the people who support we. I don't feel like we get paid for that. That's why the bootleg we say don't. That's why I don't like buy our brother. But I just want to big up all of my people and my tribe. Big up my tribe. We don't know ourselves. We don't need no exaltation. And we don't need nobody to validate we. We don't need nobody to say we exist for we know say we are here. And we're good. Big up my tribe. The rest of people why if you don't ever feel like you don't want to step out of the box and learn something, link me back. But if you don't want to stay in the darkness, down there in a war people and a shadow box. And I put words in a people's mouth. And I twist and contact. All the little blogger, them will swear to them as a real blogger. But if you don't really actually have journalism as part of our training, it's sad. But if you don't want to improve on comprehension and communication skills, you can link me. Me teaching for free. Me used to do that back in the day before my boss. I teach kids and help them with their CXC and so. I guess that's before me turn crackhead. And every day when I pronounce me the pan crack, first of all, I don't do nothing to my teeth. I think crack would have worked a long time. Second of all, now I'm going to use crackhead to not insult to me. Because there are people out there who are victims of substance abuse who need compassion and empathy. So I'm not going to use that neither. I insult me. Because I've met many a crackhead where actually reason and argue better on. I mean, people with sense were done, every kind of people, including people who have good sense, turn addicts. And probably one of that I really love to see me turn an addict. I'm addicted to life, so I can relax. I'm already I'm addicted to life. I'm addicted to learning, gaining wisdom, evolution, conscious evolution. I'm addicted to stuff like that. So me just call me one addict and go on in the ways and stop put crack for me, because I never even know what crack look like in real life. And that that rejoice. So somebody I want to call crackhead reflect more upon one than me. I'm good over here, so. And again, I gotta tell you now, if you can't stay in, stay in. If you can't stay in, reach out to somebody. Because I notice I do all one PSA sitting for Gleaner, and then all that then cut too. Because I say, if you can't stay in, stay in. And if you can't afford to stay in because you don't have the tools for staying with, reach out to somebody and make them know. Then cut off the part there. But I like when you see Jamaica, you know divisive. And you act like you some good people and righteous people. And every time you come at me and tell me say I'm a bad person because I don't subscribe to no religion. That makes me a bad person. But all I things I want to say good people do, me do it. All I things I want to say good people don't do, me don't do it. Yeah? You know hear me about the north? And I deal with you like how to deal with me? You know hear that? Me don't even know no. I mean I have no reason to do it. Just be safe. If something out there to catch, don't catch it. Don't spread it. Right? If you can stay in, stay in. And if you have excess, give some to somebody who don't have so them can stay in too. That's all I say. Don't be arrogant, don't be ignorant. Don't be such a privileged person that you can't see. Say not everybody is in your position. That's all I say. Any clearer? See me never cause so much bad with it. I want for me today. And that I'm a regular dialogue, you know. That's so me talk. That's so me honest to goodness talk. But what would I enjoy the rest of 420?
Viewers and subscribers, this is a Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, I just presented a video to you that shows off a person who goes by the name of Tanya Stephens. Alright? Yeah, she is a person of the musical arts. Is what I'm saying to you. Or you could say a Jamaican musician. But anyway, there's a video that is out on social media that shows off Tanya Stephens talking about some things, and according to how I understand some of the things that Tanya Stephens had said in this video, it would seem as if she's talking about some things that has been said about her on social media. You see me? And according to how I understand as to what has been said on social media about what has been said about her on social media, it would seem as if some of these things are considered to be disrespects and rumors. Is what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, really and truly though, she made some valid points. Is what I said to you? Yeah, some valid points. You know, I'm not going to say that I agree with everything what she said, but some of the things what she said, yeah, you know, it's really valid. That's what I said to you. And you know, the thing about it too, you know, viewers and subscribers, is like this now. You know, even if someone voiced their opinion about something and what they said, you might not like it or you might disagree with it, you know. Disrespecting the person is not the way to go about, you know, giving your opinion towards their opinion or something. So I said to you, no, it's not the way to go about it. You see me? Yeah, because some of the times, you know, sometimes a person might give their opinion and then you think that your point of view of the whole situation is totally correct. And when you do some research about the whole thing or try to find out the whole thing or the fact about the whole thing or facts, you see me? You might be surprised to know so that that person's opinion is actually correct. You see me? So, you know, and I'm not talking about this whole thing that she's talking about, the whole Tanya thing, you know. No, I'm just talking generally out there, you see me? Yeah, so even though somebody might say something and give them point of view or their opinion about something and they might not like it, you see me? Disrespecting them is not the way to go about it, you see me? I said to you, no, that's not the way to go about it. But anyways, big up and respect to Tanya Stephens and big up to you, my viewers and subscribers. And I would like to encourage each and everyone out there to obey the rules and the laws of the country that you're in. You see me? Whether you're in Jamaica or not, anywhere in the world that you're at, just obey the rules and the laws of the country that you're in. Is what I'm saying to you. It don't make no sense to go against the rules and the laws of your country and you're not gonna find yourself in any trouble. Is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, persons are being asked to stay home. You understand me? And to my understanding, you know, it would seem as if this had been done in trying to stop the spread of the COVID-19, or you could say the coronavirus, you understand me? And this coronavirus thing is no joke, you understand me? So, you know, just listen to what, you know, what had been announced out there by the leaders of your country or, you know, the law enforcers within your country, you see me? And just try and practice the whole social distance thing or social distancing thing that had been, you know, announced out there by the health ministries within your country and the World Health Organization. Is what I'm saying to you. Just obey these rules and these laws. If them say stay home, stay home. Do not disobey what they are trying to tell you to do, because to my understanding, these things are being announced out there in trying to stop the spread of the coronavirus, or you could say the COVID-19. Alright? Yeah, and that's my best advice. You understand me? Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there to keep you up to date, posted, make you know what I want. And you can let me know what you think about what Tanya Stephens had said in this video. Alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla 10.